All right, guys, we're back at this thing again. This kind of how it looks. Sometimes it's good to get all these joints out the way so that you can see what you got to work with. So that's kind of what we did. Removed everything. As you see right here, we put pier blocks. We got a footing, 2 by 2 foot footing up under it. And then we put these pier blocks here. And each one of these pier blocks is gonna take the load from here to here. And this is the girder. The girder is gonna be what supports this right here band joist, plus the flooring joists are gonna sit on top of the girder. So the flooring joists are gonna be going this way. Plus we're gonna do a little bit of an overhang right here, about another 2 feet, similar to what we got right over here. So we have an overhang on this whole entire back of the house. And so what's gonna end up happening is these girders, which we're gonna do 2 by 12s, and you see all our 2 by 12, we're trying to protect them because it's fixing to get ready to rain. So we're gonna, all our 2 by 12s is up under here, and we're gonna reuse the 2 by 12s, which they were gonna use for, originally used for flooring joists. If you look at the span from here to here, you can easily span that with 2 by 10s. You can actually span it with 2 by 8s, but since the house uses 2 by 10s, I'm gonna stay consistent with the 2 by 10s. And so we'll span that, and then we'll do a little bit of an overhang right here. So we'll do a 2 feet overhang right here. But the 2 by 12s that we have are gonna go from here to here, from here to here, from here to here, and we're gonna go all the way down the end, and we're gonna quadruple those 2 by 12s, which span about 6 feet 8 inches. I'm sorry, 6 feet 11 inches. So from here to here is about 6 feet 11 inches right there in the middle. So that's what you want, guys. This is gonna get us where we need to be. So the structural stuff, we got a couple more things going on over here structurally. We also have so we got our access. Actually, access probably would have been better right here, but we're gonna leave it right here. We have to build a header right here to keep that span going this way. And so what we're gonna do, this is totally not needed. This right here was totally not needed. We also have a drain tile. So drain tiles, it takes the water in the ground and moves it to that drain tile, the house drain tile. The water gets in here and it runs to daylight. So this water right here, we had to dig a little trench coming around here, and we had to go right here. And you can see where my other drain tile is right here. So we're gonna connect the two, and we got daylight that we can get to right here on this side of the, you can't see it because it's covered up, but we can drain it out right there and it'll get the daylight. Also, we got the, we have our HVAC tubing that's going on right here. So, you know, that's probably gonna have to be relocated to probably the side of the house, or maybe the rear of the house. We just have to see what the HVAC, that's gonna be totally up to the HVAC guy at this point. We also got to come here and fix these cap blocks. We need to get us a couple more cap blocks over here and get these right here ran. Once we get those cap blocks ran, you see where some of these anchor bolts is just not, they're not holding. We'll come back here and we'll put some epoxy in those, we'll pull these on out, and then we'll epoxy these things in. They'll hold pretty good. And that way, you want to get everything set up so the framers, I want to have those framers out here probably by Wednesday, framing. So that's kind of where we're at. Guys, once again, appreciate you guys joining in. I got Clay over there, he's taking everything in. He's figuring things out. He knows what to do. Guy's very savvy. You know, he's actually teaching me how to do some of this remodels. You know, I'm kind of good at the new construction, but I just can't hold it in the road when it comes down to remodels. Sometimes my mind kind of takes me in different directions and stuff. So he's holding me down and holding me at bay. But anyway, guys, like, share, subscribe, and you guys take it easy.